Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video I'm going to discuss and show you how to create the media creation tool from Microsoft. This will enable you to create the installation file of Windows 10 onto a USB flash drive if you choose to do it this way. If you don't have the option of getting it off a DVD or DVD-ROM or other media types that you are able to get Windows 10 from, or wherever that you can get it from. So what you want to do is, wherever you purchase it from, if you purchase it from Newegg or Amazon or wherever it is, the file will get downloaded to your computer if you choose the download option. Once you download it, you want to find out where you download it to. In this case, on my computer, download it to my downloads folder, and you're going to click on it. And I'm going to minimize this window so you can see what's going on. And it's going to start this process of where it's getting things ready. This could take a little bit while it warms up and it gets all the files in place for it to be able to install and get ready for it to install. I was actually just online with a friend of mine, and he was asking me about that because he wasn't sure how to do it. And I was like, this would make a very good chance to make a video about. So I told him, let me call you back and let me go ahead and make a quick video about this, because I don't think that I've even made a video describing or instructing how to do this. So here's the window that pops up. It's the software licensing term, and of course you have to accept. If you don't, you don't get it. If you do, keep on moving. We're going to accept because we have to. That's the only way to get the program, folks. You have to accept the terms and conditions. I hope everyone is having a good Friday. I know I am. It's nice and relaxed. Probably go outside once the sun goes down. It's feeling like 100 out there right now down here in the dirty South. And I don't want to go out there and melt like a snowman. I'm going to wait till about maybe 7ish, sometime after 7 o'clock, before I make my transition out into the open world to do my walkies, as the British calls them, walkies. Alright, so next step. What do you want to do? So at this page, if you have anything less than Windows 10 on your computer but above Windows Vista, so if you have 7 or 8 versions of Windows, you can actually upgrade your computer to 10 with this option. The option that we're going to choose is to create the installation media using a USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. So in this case, this is going for another PC. So this is the option that we want to choose. Granted, you can use this installation drive. Once you create it, you can actually upload Windows 10 to any and as many computers as you want. The only caveat is the license key. The license key will be different, so you have to make sure that the person who you're building a computer for, they still have to purchase Windows 10 in order to obtain the license key for it. It's not free, so don't let them think that, oh, I got it for free. No, you didn't. You still have to pay for the license key. That's the only way. That's one of the many ways that the developers of Windows can still keep their pockets fat. So you want to click next. You're going to select your language, edition, architecture, which is Windows 10 64-bit or 32-bit, and uncheck this because this is using the recommended options for this PC. And then from here, if you want to change it to 32 or 64-bit, you can, or you can choose both, and it's going to give you the option when you install on the computer. Windows 10 edition, and you can change it to whichever language you want to change it to, or English United States. And then from there you want to click next. Choose which media to use. If you want to install Windows 10 on another partition or need to create and then run the media to install it, you can use the USB flash drive or ISO file. You will have to get a third-party program like Rufus to actually make the ISO file where you can burn it on a DVD. But we're not worried about that because most DVDs today aren't being used or utilized on newer computers because it's kind of going off by the wayside. So you want to choose a USB flash drive. Your USB flash drive will need to be at least 8 gigabytes big. Anything less, it will not install. But you can go anywhere from 8 gigabytes to 256, whatever. But you don't need to go that high, unless you're just going to use it for this one time and then you're going to use your flash drive for other knickknacks, other programs or software. But it's always good to have at least one USB flash drive that has this on it, so you don't have to keep erasing it, re-downloading it, erasing it, re-downloading. So it's best to just keep this one drive that's labeled Windows 10 installation. Once you choose your option there, you're going to click next. And then this says select the USB flash drive. You want to make sure you only have one USB flash drive connected to your computer. If you don't, it's going to give you multiple drives, and unless you know which drive you're going to plug it into, it's going to cause a lot of confusion. So just have one USB drive plugged into your computer at this time. The files on your USB drive will be deleted. If you have any programs or any files on that flash drive, make sure you back them up, you copy them, you move them, do whatever it is you got to do, because once this starts, there's no going back. Whatever files or programs are on that USB flash drive, they are history. So be careful about that. It's also telling you to keep those files, back them up now to another saved location. So it's telling you what you have to do to get or keep the files that's on that USB flash drive before you start this installation. This is a removable drive. I've labeled it already. The drive letter is G, and the name of the drive is Win10, which I've given a label for. Once all your once you see that everything in this list is correct, you want to hit next. Now it's going to go back through the process of getting everything ready. It's going to now download Windows 10. Now this could take some time because Windows 10 is 8 gigabytes. I think it's less than 8 gigabytes big. I'm not sure of the exact size, but when you're talking about downloading is faster than uploading, but it still could take a while. So you can go and do something else, or take a break, do something while this is downloading, because this could take a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward this installation, or the downloading rather, and when I come back, should be close to 100%. Once the download process has completed, it will go through the verification process, and now it is going to create the Windows 10 medium, which means that it's actually going to put it onto the flash drive. And once again, this will take some time, not as long as the download did, but this will take some time as well. So I'm going to fast forward through this bit, and when it completes,
I'll be back.
Now that the download and the installation to the USB flash drive is finished, you are ready to unplug your flash drive. Windows 10 installation media is now on your flash drive. Click finish. Setup is cleaning up. Wow, didn't take long, did it? And now you can check to find out if in fact the installation did work. You can go to your computer, go to your flash drive, and when you click on it, All your files are here that you need to set up your computer with Windows 10. With that, this actually completes the Windows 10 media creation tool. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.